Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today we have to speak about Xcn coin. You guys know I've been dollar cost averaging into this coin, and I laid the picture. I painted the picture for you guys on this graph, and the picture is playing out like it's actually got a great structure right now. Because as you can see, if you were in the previous videos, watching the previous videos, I did make this red line, which was a support line, and it's actually been respecting that since my last video. Like, we had a little dip underneath the line, but then we respected the support and we actually lagged back above support. So this, in my humble opinion, is broke a trend. Like, it's broke a downtrend. As you can see, like, this is a trend line, downwards trend line. That's a trend break. Main reason I'm saying that is because it's left this, it didn't go downwards, it left the blue line. Now I do feel like this is probably one of the best times to start accumulating. Not because it's going to go a 10x in a week, but because price will start to be less volatile, in my humble opinion, when it comes to the downwards trend. I do feel like you will start to have a more evened out dollar cost average price entry point, and that is the reason why I've said today you should 19,000 Xcn and stake it before it becomes too late. Because guys, we have some stuff to talk about. Xcn Onyxcoin, they just actually tweeted out layer 3 Xcn ledger coming, upcoming Goliath layer 1 blockchain, ongoing vote to introduce liquid staking, upcoming wallet, Xcn ledger points system, and much more. What will drop next? Now, to me, in my humble opinion, that's very exciting. The reason I say that's exciting is because we know a lot of people and institutions, they like liquid staking. So the fact that Xcn is actually going to incorporate liquid staking into their Goliath, what do they call it? The Goliath network, the Goliath layer 1 blockchain, which it's a good name, but I just hope the name lives up to its expectations, because I do believe in this coin and I'm accumulating at these low levels, and I will continue to accumulate it for this next at least 6 months. Because I'm thinking, like, when it comes to a lot of these tokens, right, when I say have 19,000 Xcn, I'm not saying that because that's going to make you a millionaire. What I'm saying that is because if you start early with the investing, if you actually initiate you in dollar cost average investing early in these times where we're at bear market lows for a lot of coins, what you're going to find out real soon is, like, you will look back 2 years from now and realize it was so worth it, just being okay with it being boring in the market. Because a lot of people, they can't take it when the markets are boring. The only people that enjoy a boring market is day traders, because they can still profit. But if you're a long-term investor, the boredom for a lot of price action, it can eat you alive if you don't just disattach yourself mentally from your portfolio. Because my vow, like I always tell people, these are the times where you want to find different sources of income, so you can accumulate more and more Xcn over the time. You want to be out in the real world or online trying to make as much money possible just to keep ownership of great assets, just to increase the ownership and increase the value of your bag just off the power of dollar cost averaging. That's why I tell you guys that if you have extra time, don't waste it. Like, you don't even have to watch YouTubers. Focus on, treat the portfolio like a savings account. You don't have to check your bank balance every 10 minutes. Treat it like the set and forget with a lot of good. And the reason I say that with Xcn is because, like, we know this is going to be like a payment solution, and I do believe that this can compete. It can definitely compete with XRP, like, just because we've already seen that, was it JP Morgan, and they're working together in a collaboration for a cold wallet. Like, I just really believe that this will take time. As we're going to see, there's an article here that says we are down 57%, which I feel like that's a good drop. A lot of these memes are down 110% from their all-time high. But Xcn is not a meme. It's far from a meme, and you have to understand that I do believe that, of course, the economy needs to stabilize before we see these enormous pumps and these Goliath bull runs with Xcn and the Goliath blockchain. We actually have to see the economy calm down, because right now it's hot. It's getting hot in here, like, with the economy, because Trump's making tariffs in a lot of countries, and he's really causing a lot of volatility in these markets, and it's also a lot of manipulation in both the stock market and the crypto market. Like, how $100 or $1 trillion got wiped out the stock market. With crypto, we've had a hack, we've had a lot of stuff going on, and you have to understand that there's people with more money than me and you that they know the best way to flush out weak hands is to actually mentally drain them. That's why you have to be more patient. You have to compete with long-term vision, because if you say to if you say to yourself, if it does a double, that's only $600. Like, no, I'm playing XCN for the 10x at least, because if you go on the market cap, this is the beautiful part about XCN. It's only a 500 million market cap. This can go to 50 billion, so it can do 100x, quite frankly. So me knowing that, I will play the long-term game instead of selling here and there, taking quick profit. No, I'm just going to keep adding to my bag and making more money. You have to have the abundant mindset to believe that you can make a lot more money than just one source of income. Like, even if crypto fails, you should still believe that you will make it. Just having the mindset where you have no emotions to your bag will take you a long way, because then you could keep buying more XCN. And I just believe that, of course, the inflation is at all-time highs, and the Fed Williams says tariffs will likely boost U.S. inflation. I would read more of this article, but you have to pay for it, which I'm not going to do. But just knowing that we have inflation, there's no Fed cuts, there's no cuts coming anytime soon on the macro, on like this year at least. It's at least till Q4. Like, we're not going to have any cuts. So I just feel like this is the best time to get in when everything is looking bearish, because we could take advantage of the weak hands that are going to sell to us. Yes, because at the end of the day, we have to understand that a lot of people in the market cannot see past 2 years. They can't see past a month. They're not built for it. I'm built for this. I will keep buying every asset I believe in for years on end, because I know exactly where crypto's going, and it's going to take a very long time for it to really mature itself in this globe as we know it, okay? So me knowing that we are literally the early investors, I believe in this from more than past 2025. Past 2026, like, I'm looking at a lot of these assets, asking myself, can they survive 20 years? Can they be here in the next 15 years? And that's exactly what I get into, okay? So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would say, like, you have to understand the staking. Before you even end it, I forgot to say, staking, you get like 34%. So I would say, like, lock in, like, buy and stake 34%. APR, like, it's a no-brainer, because you're getting and accumulating more XCN, just holding it for free. So that's what I'll be doing, but not financial advice. Do your own research. With that being said, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'm out.